Yeah, welcome to this training section where I am going to be training you on how to do conversion in FES trading. So how to do conversion in FES trading. Either you want to convert, most especially converting FES points to consumption point. That is converting from FES points to consumption point. So let me log into the account I want to use for this illustration. You are welcome to the training section, a very brief one for that matter. Okay, now you can see what I've just done. I think I should go back so that you see what I've just done. We are the home page of our business website at xjoel.com, and then the next thing is that you come down here and you see home, source, news, and then mine. Click on mine, and then you can see you are not logged in yet. Do you want to log in? And I say determine. Then the next thing is that I will log into the account I want to use for this illustration. So let's try that out right away, and I'll post in I'll paste the password, and then I'll click on the checkbox. We always do this anytime we need to log into our account or any account you need to log into. Now, and now I'm in the account, and the next thing is that you can see the first balance in this account, and because why do we need to do conversion? You can see all the menu: top, withdrawal, bonus, detail, wallet, transaction history, exchange rate calculation, and then conversion, transfer, order management board. We are not doing any other thing other than conversion in this training section. I want to show you how to convert first balance, your first point to consumption point or total consumption point. Now, why do we have to do conversion? Is because we want to do registration, and anytime we want to do any registration, we might need to just get we need to get first point. If from the service center we get first point, or from any of other member that has the point, we can always buy the point from them, and then we'll get cash. But the person get cash, then you get the point, and then now that the point is already in this wallet, what do we need to do? We need to do conversion, because there's a registration that I need this consumption point for. So I am converting first point to consumption point. Okay, let's go there. We will click on conversion menu. This is conversion menu here. I click on it, and I say under category, I will come and click. So it's just only one option that we have there. First balance convert to consumption point. We click on it, and right away it has gone there, because it's VIP1 VIP1 registration I want to use the point for. So, and you know that VIP1 registration is just $45 when I want to do just only the registration. Now you know how much the total package is, and then if it is VIP2, you know what points you have to move, and then if it is VIP3, you know what points you have to move, and like that. So here now I'm just going to move 45 points. I'm just going to convert for 45 points. Now, so I want to convert 45 first points to 45 consumption points. So let's go ahead and let me put in my password and my security code, which is the same thing as password. And the next thing is to execute. Come and see now. Boom. Can you now see? Boom. And it means that it has gone. And if I want to take the record of this conversion, come and see here now. You know, initially I didn't have total consumption point was 0 initially. Now I'm having 45 consumption points, which I can use for registration. But if I want to see maybe there's need to take the record of all the conversions that I've done, I can come under here, and then you can see all the conversions that I've done. I can see, just like we have the record of all the transfers that might have been done. If you are under transfer, that is the way it is under the conversion record too. So you can see this is simple, and this is how to do conversion from first point to consumption point. Thank you for watching this training section, and I want to remind you, go ahead and subscribe, just in case you have not subscribed to FES TV. Go ahead and subscribe, and then tell all your members all your team members to subscribe, because it is an opportunity to learn more and it is an opportunity to know more. Okay, bye-bye for now and see you in any other training section.